Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen here. Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website here called Idle Empire. Alright, so let's talk about Idle Empire and whether this is a good way for you to spend your time to make money on the internet and whether this is a legitimate site or not. Now, Idle Empire is one of many what's called GPT style websites where you get paid to do certain tasks. Alright, so these guys have actually been around for quite a long time, since 2015. So at least 7 years now, and so they've stood the test of time. They've paid out quite a lot of money to their users, which is great, and this is a global website, so you can access this website from anywhere, and it's very easy to get started. You can just click up here, register for free, you sign up, you earn points, and then you get rewards, and you can exchange those points into either gift cards, or you can withdraw it directly through cryptocurrency or PayPal even, which is very cool. Okay, we'll talk about the withdrawal limits and all that stuff later on. But let's have a look to see what you need to do in order for you to really earn money. Okay, so basically you would come on this website, and there's a few different ways you can earn money. And I do want to mention that some GPT websites are completely fake, but Idle Empire, they've been around for quite a long time, and they are completely legit. All right, so you can fill up surveys with them. The only thing about Idle Empire is that they don't have their own surveys. They are a survey aggregator. So they work with other survey companies like Theorem Reach, for example. So you would have to basically go and register with survey websites like Theorem Reach, and then depending on your demographic, they will send you a survey, and then you get you're able to fill it out. But you can't sit there and fill out 20 surveys a day, for example. Okay, so that's not how survey filling works. But the good thing is that for every survey you fill out, you get a certain amount of points with Idle Empire, and it kind of adds up to your total point tally, which you can then convert into real money if you want to, right? Another thing you can do is offer walls. So offer walls will be basically downloading different offers, doing different things for different companies, like for example downloading certain extensions on your browser, okay, or downloading a specific application for you to use for a little while, and then they'll kind of send you the points at the end of the day. Some offers will require you to put down your credit card information, so you do need to be careful, because if you don't want to get charged, for example, in 3 days or so, you need to cancel your application with that particular app or company or software or whatever you actually did in that specific offer. They're all kind of different, right? And for the offers that you download, you will get an equivalent amount of points, which also tallies up to your total amount of points. All right. Another thing you can do is watch videos. And the thing about the videos though is that you will watch a video for maybe 30 seconds to a minute, but you're literally getting 1/10 of a cent for every single video that you watch. So if you're thinking like you can just sit there and watch videos all day and make a lot of money, it doesn't really work like that. Yes, you will make an equivalent amount of points, but roughly it equates to about 1/10 of a cent per video watch. So that means you have to watch 10 videos to make roughly about 1 cent. So it's very little money. Okay, then you can also refer your friends, and that's kind of how you make money with Idle Empire. It's as simple as that, right? The thing that I do like about them though is the withdrawal limits are pretty low. Okay, so if we come into withdrawals here on the left, you can see that you can basically rack up 1,000 bonus points, right? And you can already withdraw money directly from Litecoin on Coinbase, Ethereum on Coinbase, for example, Stellar on Coinbase, things like that. For Amazon gift cards is a little bit more. It's 39,500 points. And you can see here, they've got a lot of different ways to withdraw, which is pretty cool. All right, but the quickest way to withdraw is basically going through cryptocurrency or downloading Payer, which actually is cash, and 1,000 coins is equivalent to 1 cent. Okay, so it's 10 cents. So it's not that much money. You can rack up your points up to about 10 cents, but for every 10 cents you withdraw, you can withdraw it on some of these options here. Okay, now let me show you the leaderboard, and let me show you how much people are actually making, just to show you that yes, this is real money, but again, you're not really making that much money, right? Let's look at James Stroud right here. So he's earned 17,250 points. He's ranked number 1 for this current period. Each period is about 1 week long. Okay, 17,000 points is only equivalent to 17 cents. So think about that for a minute, right? 17,250 points. James has put in all this time into the website. He's earned 17 cents, all right, and he's number 1 for that entire week. That's your leader. for Idle Empire. So yes, James is making money, but he's really not making that much money. He's only made 17 cents in a week, which is crazy, okay? Or sorry, it might be a day, right? Okay, because this is running down a week. So, okay, but still, 17 cents in an entire day is not that much. But the good thing is that he earns a prize of 300,000 coins, which is equivalent to $3. Okay, so what James has done is he's earned the 17 cents plus the bonus, so he's earned about $3.17 for ranking first. But again, he's putting in a lot of time. So James has probably put in quite a few hours for that day in order for him to earn that. So you can just kind of see here that yes, people are making money, but you're not really making that much money, right? So you can see the equivalent amount of points here. El Burro has earned 12 cents. Oldie has earned 12 cents today. Legia has earned 10 cents, right? And Cesar has earned 10 cents as well. And Kenneth has earned 8 cents. So you get the idea, right? People are earning roughly about, anywhere from 5 cents to maybe 12, 15, 17 cents a day, all right, for the amount of time that they're putting in. So is it real money? Yes. Can you withdraw it? Yes, you can. But are you gonna necessarily be rich and become a millionaire and quit your job and travel the world? No. Unfortunately, GPT websites are not designed to do that. But if you have a little bit of extra time and you want to come on here and earn money in a few different ways, these are all kind of very low skill strategies that you can come on here. You don't need any experience. You can literally just come on here and make a little bit of money by investing some time into the website. Then Idle Empire is a 100% legit GPT style website. Just remember that you're not going to get rich with a website like this because they're not designed to make you rich, okay? So 100% legitimate. It's got my stamp of approval. At least it's a good legit site that does pay out. It stood the test of time. So you can check out idle-empire.com if you want. Otherwise, if you're here watching this video and you want to find out how to make the bigger commissions, right? Look, because if you have 2 or 3 hours a day, maybe 5 hours a day to spend on the internet, you may as well leverage that time and make way more income. I mean, here you're averaging roughly about 50 cents to $1 per hour that you spend on the site. From these guys, you can see that they're not making even that. But most GPT websites, you'll average between 50 cents and $1 per hour that you spend on the website. That's very, very little income, honestly. You should be earning way more than that, a few $100s per hour, if you understand how to do it right. So if you would like to learn how to do that, then you can go ahead and register below for my 6-figure workshop where I show you exactly how to leverage the internet and use a business model to generate way more income. We're talking about hundreds of dollars per day, thousands of dollars per day if you learn how to do this correctly, and I would love to show you how to do that on the workshop. So go ahead and register for that below, and I hope you enjoyed this review of Idle Empire. Hope to see you soon. Good luck to you and all the best in your life and your business. Speak to you soon.